Hi everyone, this is Hasnain Ali, and today I'm going to show you how you can bulk import your Twilio numbers inside Vapi. If you have multiple Twilio numbers and you want to import here in Vapi, there is not a way that allow you to import numbers here. You can import it one by one, but not in bulk. So for that, I have created a Python script that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to delete this number so I can import this out. So this is my script here, and let me show you what are the things you require to make sure that this script runs successfully. First of all, you need this key, and I will show you where you can find this. Second thing you require is Twilio SID, and third thing you require is a Twilio token. The fourth thing is you require your phone numbers that you want to import, and if you want to attach any assistant to that phone numbers. And I will show you in a while how you can find this ID as well. And let me show you first of all the Vapi key. It's easy. You just need to go inside your API keys on left bar here and just copy this key, the private key, or maybe you can create another one if you want to. So I will just copy this out and add this inside Vapi key. The second thing is you require is Twilio keys. You need to log in your Twilio account and click on account dashboard. And here you will find your SID and token. I will copy them one by one. So I copy this thing and paste it here inside these two quotations. And the second thing I would require is token, and I will add that here inside my Twilio token. Another thing is the phone numbers that I want to import. So for that, you need to add a comma here, and then you need to add double quotation, and here you need to paste the number from Twilio. So make sure the number is correct, otherwise this will not work. So you just need to copy here and then paste here. So whatever the number list you have, you just need to copy second time and add it here and add the number inside these two quotations. So I will just remove these numbers here because only have one number, but this script will work with the multiple numbers as well. So I will show you how this one number can be imported using this script. The another thing that you require is assistant ID, and if you want to attach any assistant to these numbers, then you need to add ID. Otherwise, you can just remove it or add hash before this assistant ID. And here you just need to add hash. If you add hash, the assistant ID can will not be attached to your numbers. But if you want to add assistant with your number, so you can do that as well. So what are the assistant? It's basically the assistants you have created inside Vapi. So there are multiple different kind of assistants you can create that actually responds to the customers or to the work that you want. And the ID is here. You can copy the ID. Just need under your dental assistant. You can copy that, and the inside here you can just paste it. So these are the things we require. I will save it out and make sure that you are in the folder where you have saved this Python script. And if you're running it first time, you might need to install Python. So that will take some minutes. So let me run this out. The command to run is python vapi.py. If I press enter, you can see it says this number has been successfully imported, this number that we have added here. If I go inside my Vapi account and click on phone numbers here, you can see that a number has been imported here. And you can see the assistant is right. We assigned the dental assistant. So this was the ID we have given and it's working. So this was the ID we had attached here and it's already attached to the number here. So if there are multiple numbers, those will be imported as well. So that's all. I have added this script in the description of the video. You can download it and use it. If you have any questions or if you want some customization for your assistance, you can reach me out on my email or you can comment on this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.